Since many of you wanted me to explain the tutorial in English, so I'm gonna continue with English, but I will consider few comments regarding speaking in Tamil and Hindi a little. Let's begin. Write the first letter of your text and choose whatever font you want and the color. I will choose white and scale it up. Then use the HDRI image. I will provide this image, or you can download it from anywhere. Adjust its position, keyframe the position and use the easy ease graph. Now enter the group. Here set the pre-comp to fixed resolution so that your phone won't lag. Add the effect Gaussian blur on the image layer just to smoothen the texture or make the environment more smooth. Then add the 3D extrude flat effect on the group. Follow my settings. Use the rotation settings as I'm doing, or you can just change according to your need. Animate the scale rotation. It will rotate from up to down kind of on this x-axis. Then increase the depth according to your need. Further, you can animate the y and z axis also. It's totally up to you. I'm just showing this as an example. Now the rest of the settings are not that compulsory, but you can change according to your need. Our 3D text animation is done. Now let's move on to the other stage. Change the background color to green so that the text will be visible to you clearly. Now duplicate the group layer. Animate the text position. You can use the similar graph. You can also animate the rotation of the text layer. Now duplicate the text layer and just change the letter. This would be the second letter of your name, obviously. You can change the position and rotation of the image layer bit below the text layer of the second letter. It's totally up to you. Now you just have to change the position of the second letter of the group so that the text or the letter won't overlap to each other. Now continue this process to the other letters. It depends on how many letters does your username have. The less the letter your username have, the less laggy your phone will be and the less lengthy the process will be. So after completing all this, here you have the 3D text with your name in the green screen. You can remove the green screen later. Now you can add the rays or glow if you want to the text. So that's it for today. I will see you in next tutorial in another few days or maybe 1 week. Bye. மேலும் வீடியோக்களுக்கு எனக்கு சேனலுக்கு குலுசெரவும். Do subscribe to my channel for more video. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नए वीडियोस के लिए और ऐसे ही ट्यूटोरियल्स के लिए मजीद वेदुस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. उर्दू वासतिनो चेनेरू ओ कुदुकु सीते कुदासाई.